A peekaboo, Mom.
Look at that kitty. Here's Cheyenne and Sean. Cheyenne's gonna get you. She's gonna get you. Hold her. You gonna pet the kitty?
Yeah.
Can you pet her?
Okay.
That's good. Good job. This is the newest member of our family. She was born in March, I think. Yeah. Sean.
Mom.
Yeah. There's the bear, huh?
Bear.
Very good.
Mom.
Hey, Sean. Look. Sean, look. Hey, Sean. Say hi to the camera. Say hi, camera. Good. Good job.
Bye.
Good job. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.